8th Standard English 4.4 Unsinkable Ship Warming Up Workshop. Warming up. Question number 1. Read the lines given below. Imagine yourself in the situation and answer the questions based on your imagination. Situation. After the games practice, my friends and I were hungry. We decided to go to a snacks outlet on 3rd floor in a huge 6-storied mall. On the way, just as we paid our bill and were about to leave, there was a ear-shattering blast, a loud explosion on the 1st floor. What was your first reaction? Answer. Our immediate reaction was one of shock, and then we fell out of the mall. How did the public panic? Answer. They were in a state of panic and ran helter-skelter to find the exit. Some were shouting and crying hysterically. What did some alert, sensible people do? Answer. They were trying to calm down the people and helping children and women to escape from the mall. What was the damage and danger? Answer. Fire broke up on the 3rd floor and was roaring upwards. The blast damaged everything with structure of the mall. The 4th floor was in danger. Who came to rescue? Answer. The police, the fire brigade, and the local people came to the rescue. How many people were injured or killed? Answer. 4 women and 2 men injured. Fortunately, no one was killed. What effect did the incident leave on your mind? Answer. We were shocked and were still trembling with fear thought we were out of danger. We thank God for saving us from the danger. Question number 2a. The word unsinkable has the prefix as well as suffix. The root word is sink. Give the root words of the following. Uncomfortable, comfort. Unhappiness, happy. Unsecurity, secure. Inaccuracy, accurate. Independent, depend. Familiar, meal. Unloosen, loose. Disability, able. Disappearance, appear. Unfriendly, friend. Interactive, act. Misunderstanding, understand. B. Write 2 words each with the following prefixes. Anti, antibiotic, antioxidant. Dis, disadvantage, disappear. None, non, non-stop, non-living. Re, rearrange, retry. C. Write 2 words each with the following suffixes. Full, careful, faithful. Os, fierce, mysterious. Less, careless, hopeless. Lee, happily, slowly. English workshop. Question number 1a. Find any 6 words from the text that have suffixes. Underline the suffix in each of them. Answer. Unsinkable, comfortable, suddenly, slowly, quickly, unfortunately. B. words may combine to form a new word with a change meaning. Such words are called as compound words in English. Find 4 or 5 compound words from the text. Dining plus room, dining room. Some plus thing, something. Every plus one, everyone. No plus thing, nothing. Ice plus cold, ice cold. Question number 2, A. Read the text and answer. A. What does the word Titanic mean? Answer. Titanic means huge. B. How many passengers did Titanic carry? Answer. More than 2,000 passengers. C. Why were the passengers on Titanic proud? Answer. Because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. D. Why did people call Titanic as Unsinkable Ship? Answer. Because they thought that it could never sink. E. What did Carpathia crew find? Answer. They found urgent message of the Titanic asking for help. F. Who was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage? Answer. James Cameron. G. Where did the scientists find Titanic? Answer. They found Titanic laying in 2 pieces on the ocean floor. B. Discuss in groups of 4 and find out. Reasons for sinking of Titanic. Answer. Captain Smith tried hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the side of the ship scratched deep against the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell on the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into a lower decks of the ship, so the Titanic began to sink. Effect of the sinking of Titanic. Answer. About 1,500 people drowned with the Captain Smith and his crew. It made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ship. It was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats to carry everyone on board, and ships must have keep their radio working every hour of the day and night. The director James Cameron made a famous film on Titanic's maiden voyage. Question number 3. Read and find words related to sea and arrange them alphabetically. Words related to sea from the chapter: shield, voyage, lifeboat, iceberg, water, sink, drown, deep, surface, ship, ocean, ice, boat. Alphabetical order: boat, depth, drown, ice, iceberg, lifeboats, ocean, silt, sink, ship, surface, voyage, water. Question number 4A. She was as tall as a building with a 15 stories. Frame 5 of your own sentences using the construction as. Write them down in your notebook. Answer. My bag is as light as feather. Her handwriting is as neat as a printed book. The water in a lake was as clear as glass. He ran as fast as the wind. This room is as quiet as a library. B. Carpathia was too late to save them. Write their sentences of your own using the following construction: to. The tea was too hot to drink. She was too tired to finish her homework. The box was too heavy to lift. Question number 5. Read again from 5th paragraph up to 12th paragraph. Mark the most important points using the points. Make a summary of the incident in your own words using short, simple sentences. Write out the summary in 12 to 15 lines. Answer. It was the night of 14th April. The sky was clear. The sea was calm. Many of the passengers on the Titanic were asleep. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby. He told a man to keep a watch from the top of the ship. All of the sudden he yelled, "Iceberg!" Captain Smith tried hard to keep the Titanic away from iceberg, but the Titanic scraped the mountain of the ice. Iceberg cut the holes to Titanic. Water began to pour into the lower decks. Captain Smith sent urgent messages on ship radio asking for the help ship. The California ship was only 20 miles away, but she didn't receive the message because her radio was turned off. Another ship, Carpathia, heard the message, but unfortunately she was far away from the Titanic. Then at 2:30 a.m. on 15th April, Titanic was vanished into the sea. About 1,500 people drowned and or died of cold. The Carpathia reached at 3:40 a.m. and saved 700 passengers on the lifeboats. Thanks for watching. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.